Welcome to the J&J Auto contested video of S4CE190. Today we have a 2004 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 two-wheel drive extended cab Stepside, black with a tan interior. 119,000 miles on it. She is but a baby. Fires right up. I'm gonna have to reach across to open up the hood. Got this bad boy out of Florida, so she is lickety clean. I can't believe I just said that. LT trim, heated seats, all of the freaking goodies. Go ahead and take a listen to this 5.3 liter. I'm not crawling over there on video. It does drive. She did a little burnout earlier. Absolutely cream puff of a truck though. This 5.3 will be sold with the 4L60E as a swap. As you guys can see, nice and quiet. I don't know how you'd see that, you would hear that. Regardless, I'm an idiot. Take a look at the transmission fluid together here. Let's just see what it looks like. Not shabby. Not all burned up. She lit them up pretty quickly. Like I said though, very, very clean truck. It's gonna have good fenders, hood, a whole nose, loaded court to court. And the gem of this girl is the Stepside bed. What a beaut, Clark. What a beaut. I'm gonna be selling this bad boy complete. You can do a Stepside conversion, tail lights, tailgate, tonneau cover. How the heck does this thing open? We're gonna learn together. Bear with me here. Oh, it's a rolly. Okay. All right. Well, like I said, we're going to be selling this thing complete. She is rhino lined with a carpeted bed liner. This thing's never seen anything. You're going to get all these goodies included. Light rider. This guy was part of the Wolfpack Hockey Club. Cool. One thing I want to know is who's actually stepping on these. They even put a step pad on it, but look at that thing. What a terrible idea. All right, guys, I've got nothing else to say. That is going to conclude the J&J Auto contested video of S4CE190. You guys know the gig. If you've been here for a while, head on over to our website. There's going to be a link in the description down below where all these parts are going to be listed. Yep, I can't get over there. This is John at J&J Auto. Thanks for watching.